Good day everyone, I'm Giancarlo M. Dela Cruz together with Israel Marcel Urbano and Jake Mangrobang. So first is antibiotic oxytetracycline injection 200 injection 200 milligram antibiotic. Each ml contains 200 mg of oxytetracycline for the treatment of disease in beef cattle, dairy cattle, calves, including preminating veal calves and swine. Federal law restricts this drug to use by or on the order of a licensed veterinarian for animal use only. Read entire package insert carefully before using this product. Oxytetracycline injection 200 is a sterile ready-to-use solution for the administration of the broad-spectrum antibiotic oxytetracycline by injection. Oxytetracycline injection 200 does not require refrigeration. However, it is recommended that it be stored at control room temperature 20-25 degrees Celsius and 68 to 77 Fahrenheit. Excursion permitted 15 to 30 degrees Celsius and 59 to 86 degrees Fahrenheit. The antibiotic activity of oxytetracycline is not appreciably diminished in the presence of body fluids serum of exudates.
Second is vaccine. Pangalan niya is Poxin 1000 dose. The Poxin 1000 dose vaccine from Sotis is like a virus vaccine formulated to protect chickens against smallpox. It is typically administered to healthy pullets between 6 weeks of age 4 weeks before onset of egg production. The vaccine is delivered by a wing web stab method, where a specialized applicator is used to inject the vaccine into web area of the bird's wing. Indication to prevent smallpox in chickens. Dosage form: each vial contains 1000 doses on a pre-dried live virus vaccine, accompanied by 10 ml of sterilized durantly.
Last is Bexan SP, vitamin B complex plus liver extract with folic acid. Yung purpose naman nito is to boost appetite, strengthen immunity, promote growth, improve milk production and embryo survival, and help treat anemia in animals.